This video I'm going to show you how to take off the radio panel on the dash panel here. It's kind of like the top section. If you saw that video, you're going to just try to find some like something to pry on. Either it can be like a wide screwdriver with a towel wrapped around it, but if you have these plastic tools here, it'll definitely help out. So there's going to be some clips. I believe the clips are on the corners, so just try to get a small corner here. You're not going to go crazy on it though. I'm actually kind of scared to do this. See, right there, it's starting to come off. So there's the clip goes right there. So after that, you could start to take it off with your hand. Just pull it out. There's one more in the corner there. Sheesh, man. But yeah, anyways, so that's how you take it out. Of course, you take your radio out with the screws and climate control. And then if you want to take out some of the clips, which I did, just because it makes it easier to take out in the future and so you don't break it. Just take note of where the clips are at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 right there. And so like I said, you could take some out if you want, or if not. But yeah, just put it in there, just snaps right back in. Just so you guys know, you cannot take off all the clips. Right here I've taken off all the clips except the top one, and see what happens here. You know, try to put it on, and then it's just loose in the bottom. So definitely you need at least one clip. I like to put just the bottom two here, and just for the purpose of this video, taking them off, I like to put two here, and so it's just going to be the top one and then the bottom one, so I know where to pry. So right there, just snaps on and don't have any issues. Hopefully this video helped you guys out with taking off the panel. I know my first time doing it, I was a little hesitant and a little bit scared to do it, just because I didn't want to break it.